Today, let's talk about the bottom fishing indicator S6 dot. This indicator primarily calculates volume-weighted prices and price deviations to generate a reference line. By measuring these deviations, it produces buy and sell signals. Let's take a look at the four key components of this indicator. First, the gray reference line. Second, an upward pointing red arrow, that is the buy signal. Third, a bearish divergence signal. When a bearish divergence occurs, a sell signal is triggered, represented by a downward green arrow. Fourth, the overbought zone. When prices become overbought, the indicator displays a downward pointing finger signal. Additionally, I've added a green line during bull market pullbacks when the deviation fails to trigger a buy signal. This green line can serve as a reference for making supplementary purchases or adding to positions. Now, let's walk through a few specific examples. Here's a daily chart of the 3x S&P ETF from 2022 to May 2025. What do we notice here? In this chart, bottom fishing signals are relatively rare. However, every time a bottom fishing signal does appear, there's been a significant rally afterward. For instance, the last buy signals appeared on September 27th and October 3rd, 2022. After those bottom fishing signals, the market entered a massive bull run that lasted 2 years with gains reaching 400%. More recently, between March and April 2025, buy signals appeared again. Buying at that point has already produced gains of over 60%. For swing traders, catching these bottoms and taking profits at key points could also yield substantial returns. Of course, if we combine this with other indicators as a secondary buy or add-on reference, we can achieve even better results. Now, let's look at a short-term trade example. This is TQQQ from August 8th to December 26th, 2024. In just 4 months, the stock rose 62%. We can see that on August 8th, 2024, the indicator triggered a buy signal. Buying at that point and holding until December 26th delivered a 62% gain, an excellent result. Buying on that day made this trade very successful. Next, let's see how this indicator performs on Nvidia. I'm sure many traders have made a lot of money on Nvidia. However, if you started investing in Nvidia in 2024, your returns might not have been great. Looking at this indicator, you'd see that at certain points, it triggered sell or take profit signals. After those signals, Nvidia stock fell by 30%. Additionally, on October 22nd, 2024 and January 7th, 2025, the indicator signaled bearish divergence, followed by a 39% drop in Nvidia price. With this indicator, you could have taken profits successfully and avoided that entire decline. Then, on April 7, 2025, the indicator issued another bottom fishing signal. Buying at that point has already led to a 46% gain. So, using this indicator on Nvidia has proven to be highly effective. Now let's look at the indicator's performance on Bitcoin. Here's a daily Bitcoin chart from October 2022 to April 2025. We can see that in October 2022, the indicator issued a buy signal at that time. Bitcoin was trading around 15,000 to 16,000. What followed was a massive bull market, although there were some corrections along the way. By combining this indicator with others, you could have used it for swing trades or even held long-term for excellent returns before taking profits. From October 2022 to April 2025, Bitcoin surged from 15,000 to 110,000. This indicator worked beautifully. It also issued take profit and bearish divergence signals. Selling at that point allowed traders to avoid the subsequent drop from 110,000 to 76,000. So, this indicator could help you completely sidestep that, decline, or even short it for additional profits. Although I don't generally recommend short selling. Understanding market dynamics and the mindset of short sellers can help you re-enter the market or add to your position at the right time. This is extremely helpful for successful trading in stocks. So that's the S6 indicator. Thank you everyone.